This is a quick all you need to know review of these small sauce cups. I got this 12 pack of 1.5 ounce sauce cups. I think it's super cute to set the table with individual sauce cups. It works perfectly if you're serving a meal with fries, Indian food, or just want every person to have their own sauce cup. I value both functionality and style, so I wanted to get them in stainless steel. It feels both more hygienic and more sustainable. I also really like the look of them. I find these to be the perfect size for any type of sauce. They are really easy to clean, and the shape of them makes it really easy to stack them. They are very lightweight and easy to bring outdoors if you're having a picnic, for example. And I actually also use them for other things like facials. Overall, I think these are a great addition to any kitchen. There are so many ways to use them. They are high quality and they look really chic. Make sure to dry them off before stacking them in your kitchen. I also find that they don't scratch easily, which I'm really happy about. You can buy these with confidence.